Thank you for joining in, and for today's video, this is going to be more of a vlog style video instead of a tutorial. I'm going to talk about a few different things that I've been working on here, but first we're going to have some tea. First up, I have my journal out here, and this was the Kahati journal from Jackson's Art, if anybody was curious. This, I work on small florals all the time for Instagram and TikTok, so you can feel free to check those out if you want to. I always have links in the description. And let's see, this one I used my white nights and the Schminke. I was experimenting with some of like the peach and then the opera rose, which was from my Schminke set in the center, similar to like the fake flowers I have right there, and the olive leaves. Again, I just kept it really easy. And over here, this one I just started. I love that color. That is, let's see. There we go. That is Prussian green from my Schminke set. And I just went ahead here. I had a bunch of swatches from my set, and then I actually wrote down the names next to the colors there so I could remember what was what. But again, that color is really, really pretty. And you can see, I like how you have the cauliflowering and it leaves that nice texture. And of course you can smooth it out if you wanted to, but for certain subject matters I really enjoy the way that looks. And later I'll go ahead with some of my gold, and when I'm done with that tutorial I will post that. And this is just a weekly vlog here that I thought I would share. There's so many different things that go into artwork and videos, and I know a lot of people like to see some of the behind the scenes stuff. Again, I was testing out a few colors here from my Schminke set, and I just wanted to see how the gold was going to look with some of them, just as something different with the florals. And I have most of it done. This was on my larger pad here. This was, let's see if we can get it in frame there. So it has the big florals and then some greenery, and these were some like loose falling petals and some stems there. It's a little bit of more of the actual bouquet instead of just the florals. So playing with composition is always nice. So there's that one I was working on. And then I have some more gouache tutorials as well coming up. I have this fun landscape, and I really enjoyed this one. I did more of like the pastel colors and the sky. with the little sun going down. So there's a little sneak peek of that one coming up. This journal is really nice if you're looking for a new journal. This was the, I don't know if you could really see it there, but the Sea White of Brighton from Jackson's Art. This is a nice journal. I think most of them have that little pocket in the back, and I have a full review on my channel if anybody was interested in that. And for more artwork, let's see, this one I really like. This was my first completed one for the year, or the new year rather. So I have all my blues, and this one was from my White Nights. If anybody was curious about the colors, I have that like light turquoise, and that Indanthrum blue, some of that indigo. I love indigo, and the one that's a little bit more of a purple blue there, and some of the like loose leaves. I enjoy doing that. This is one of my favorite brushes that I always use, the silver black velvet one. And then I have a bunch from like Jerry's Artorama that I've been testing out and using. These red ones I like for when I'm doing my gouache painting. Go. And if you haven't seen my other videos, this is the gouache set that I used. It's the Turner gouache, and there's 24 colors in this one. And these are some more florals that I've done in my journal here. Let's see. These are two older ones. And that is it for today's video. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for some of the tutorials that I mentioned. And I'll see you next time.